If you've been logged out of your Bank of America account and need to reset your login credentials, follow these straightforward steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Bank of America website. Go to the official Bank of America website using a secure internet connection. Look for the sign-in option on the homepage. Step 2. Click on Forgot ID/password. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Provide required information. Enter the necessary information such as your name, social security number, and date of birth. This information helps verify your identity. Step 4. Follow the prompts. After entering your information, follow the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to answer security questions or receive a verification code via email or text. Step 5. Create new credentials. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create new login credentials. Choose a strong password and make sure to remember your new username and password. After completing these steps, you should be able to log into your Bank of America account successfully. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting customer support for further assistance.